Hello viewers, welcome to my another video. Today I'll show how to set your iPhone passcode and how to turn off your iPhone passcode system. Now go to your iPhone settings, click on iPhone settings, then swipe up and you see a option that's Touch ID and passcode. Click on Touch ID and passcode. Then you see here a option turn passcode on. Click on it. Turn passcode on. Now you set a passcode. For example, I set here a passcode and now you see a pop-up. This passcode can be easily guessed. Your passcode will be used to unlock this iPhone and protect access to your data stored in iCloud. Then you click on use anyway, then type again your passcode for verify. Okay, now your iPhone passcode will verify. Now type your Apple ID password. Now click on continue. Okay, our screen passcode will activate. So now we check, we turn off our screen light. Then when we turn on our screen light and goes to our home screen, it's asked a passcode. Enter your passcode, then it will access. Now I will share how to turn off this. How to turn off your iPhone screen passcode. Click on settings and go to Touch ID and passcode. Type your passcode that you set before. Okay, now click on turn passcode off. Okay, now click on turn off. Then you see a pop-up your Apple ID password. Enter your Apple ID password. Then click on turn off. Your iPhone screen lock passcode turn off. Okay, now check, we turn off our screen light and when we turn on it and now goes our home screen without any passcode. Then again check, screen light on and goes to our home screen without password. Thank you so much. Please subscribe for more videos and stay with Apple Info.